Hello, my fellow tax preparers and contractors. My name is Laura, and welcome to the Irving headquarters of PROTAX Refunds. Today, we're going to talk about the Connect app. It's the app that I'm going to talk about for you guys to use in order to submit the information through the app, and we receive it directly on our software. So let me show you how it works. This is how the app looks like. It's called Connect. Is this one, the blue one here? You just click on it. We use here, hold on, this one is PROTAX. All right, so in order to receive that, I will share it and put the information here, and you'll be able to receive it. Let me show you how you receive it too. When you receive it, it comes like that. I'm getting my tax done by PROTAX Refund. You should check out the app, and here's the app. And just open it, and it will help you download it. Okay, so let's go back on the app since I already downloaded the app. So I'm showing you how it works. So when you open it and you download it, you have the information for PROTAX refunds like that, and you just get it started. So right now you want to pick up the client info. Here we have contact info, client info, chat with us, and settings. So you click on client info and you put your client information. So if your client is single, married, have children, had a job, own a business, a side job or contract. So let's say for example is single, we click on it and we click next. If you own a property, a home, you had winning, gambling, and employment, social security benefit, you just click to everything that apply to your client. You just click and you click next. The same thing here, donation to charity, bank interest, gift. And then you also select the scenario that applies. If it is a student, it has a retirement plan, or it had expenses through work, you just click. So let's say here, if I click, I put next, they'll ask me questions regarding job expenses, for example. And then now you want to put the name. You want to put the name, your first name, the name of your client. So for example, if your client's name is Ponderosa, as we use on our practice return here, and on the middle name you want to put also a last name, for example. You just leave it like that. And on the last name, that's when you want to put your name, the contractor, the preparer, the contractor. You put your name under the last name so that we'll be able to know when we receive the file that this file is coming from you. So here, for example, let's say Ekonde, we just put Ekonde. Ekonde is the last name of one contractor, and you put a social. I'm just going to put a random one here, and the address, I'm going to put Irving address, our headquarters, North Story Road, and the zip code 75038. Here, the state, date of birth, I'm just going to put June 20th 1985. And phone number, we just putting PROTAX phone number. So 8884516889. And the driver license, you just put the information regarding the driver license. I'm just putting random numbers. Occupation, if that person is a student, or in our case for Ponderosa on the practice, she was a botanist, so I'm just going to put botanist. And you click next, and they ask you if you had a 1099, for example. We say no. What's the resident state? We just, answering all the information here. It's very self-explanatory, but I want to start doing it with you together so that you have a broad idea on how it looks and how we appear also on the screen. So if that person is single, we click again single here, and we just click next. This job expense is for Ponderosa. Do you have any We say no. Next. If for example you paid for it, all right, I'll say no, for example. Okay, and they're asking us if you want to pay with our tax refunds or we want to pay directly at the office. Usually we want to pay with the tax refund, meaning when we receive the amount and we charge the clients, and it's when they receive their check that we get paid. If it is a direct deposit or a check, we're going to put check since we don't have any direct deposit information, and we just put the euro. They're asking for an email, so I'm just going to put my email. Okay, and the password, you don't have to see that. Alright, so we just submitted the email and we received a message from PROTAX Refund. They say thank you for submitting your return. We will review everything and reach back out to you when we have additional questions. Thank you. And I just put thanks and I put it over there, hello. So once you're done with that process, I'm going to show you how it appears on our software on Connect Refundo. Okay, so here is Ponderosa Econde. Econde is the name of the contractor, and this is the social that we created, and it was done today. Sorry. So here is the full name, the social, last time it was active, and the email. And here you see the pictures. You can just download it. I can just download it and submit them under a DDM. So when I open let me open it here so that you'll be able to see here. So let me put the social 588708, and it appears. So you see here, we already have the information, so we put it that address. Remember, we put it on the cell phone, and also the name, last name, social, the occupation, the date, the phone number. So here I just have to change it with Pine, for example, because we know that for my practice return, the last name of our client was Pine, and now I would just come here, exit, for example, and put here that this is contractor Econde. And to receive also the pictures, let me show you. We go on document here, and here I go back, I open the file. You see the document, I'll just download them all. This is the DDM, and you see the zip, I just put it there. You see it? I just put yes, and you see, let me bring it here, and we have the different document. So remember, it was that document, right? And this one was the second document that we took the second picture. So as you see, it worked pretty fine. I'm just deleting them because there are some password information, but if we have any question, we can just ask, talk, and here practice and send, and the client will receive the information on their phone. Okay, well, that was it for Connect, and I hope you'll be able to use it. It's free, easy, and it will save us a lot of time. It will save you guys, the contractors, a lot of time, and also the preparers a lot of time, as you can see. So please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to call the headquarters, the office Irving, and ask for Laura or ask for anybody. We can all help you with that, with the app. So thank you so much, and I hope you learn a lot today. Bye bye.